हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस प्लेलिस्ट। इस प्लेलिस्ट से अपन स्टार्ट कर रहे होंगे जावा, कोर जावा स्टार्ट कर रहे होंगे अपन। और आज हम देखेंगे कि हाउ डू वी इंस्टॉल जावा, व्हाट्स जेडीके, हाउ डज जावा वर्क, एंड वी विल राइट आवर फर्स्ट कोड एज वेल. But we will spend good amount of time learning how does Java actually work, because it's very important to know what's going behind the scene. We will get under the skin of Java, like how the code is getting executed, whatever is required, what is Vora. We will see all that. So yeah, we won't waste a lot of time. Yeah. So first of all, to make Java work, you have to go to the website of Java. We will be using Java Oracle. You can install Java JDK. Yeah, go here, download Java if you want. I use Java 21. You can download it, and it's very simple. If you are going with Mac OS, you can use a DMG installer. And if you are on Windows, there should be an exe. Yeah, there is an exe. You can do zip as well, and then provide the path, but it's easy to do it via exe. For Mac, the environment variable gets set by itself. और अगर विंडोज़ में है तो environment variable set करने पड़ते हैं. You can google it out. It's very simple. And just to see Java is working very correctly or not, what you can do, tap on Java C, Java hyphen version. So it shows Java version is 23, and you can do Java C. Java C is Java compiler version, that is also 23. If these two commands are working, so you are very good to go. Everything is on plan, everything is going with plan. ये दोनों चीज़ चाहिए, ठीक है. और before diving into our first code, how to print in Java, I want you to understand how does Java work. So yeah, let us quickly get started. So तो क्या होता है जावा के अंदर, देर इज़ एन हार्डवेयर, ठीक है. अपना एक हार्डवेयर होता है, इज़ अ हार्डवेयर. या देर इज़ अ हार्डवेयर, देन देर इज़ एन OS, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, ठीक है. इसके ऊपर आता है अपना JVM, ठीक है. there is something known as JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine, ठीक है. This is responsible to run our code. I'll just annotate it as well. This is Java Virtual Machine. Yeah. Abhi, how things work is, we do not write code so that our JVM understands it. It cannot happen. We can write code just in English. I hope you understand this. कि हम इंग्लिश में कोड लिखते हैं. So how does things work? So you write your code. So our code is here, and we can annotate our code is like this. Then after our code, compiler compiles the code. Okay, so this is, let's suppose this is compiler, and this is compiler, okay. And then it compiles the code and change it to a format that our JVM understand. So what is that format? It is known as bytecode. This is bytecode. We cannot write bytecode directly, so we write it in English, and our compiler changes our code to a bytecode. So this is compiler. So if you remember, we did Java C. Java C hyphen we did version, ठीक है. तो this is the version. This is Java C, Java compiler version. This is really important. Without this, you cannot run your code on a machine. So then the code gets changed into a bytecode. Okay, this is what our JVM understand, bytecode, and this is what is passed as a raw material. can say this is what is fast, this is what JVM understand. So yeah, now what happens, there is a gap, if you can see, it's an intentional gap. So above it, what happens, there is something known as JRE, Java Runtime. There is JVM and then there is JRE. So JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So yeah, and this is what is attached to an OS. JRE, there is Java Runtime. ENVIORNMENT, Java Runtime Environment. So this is platform dependent. This should be written for a platform. You might have seen a very good word that is known as VORA, WORA. VORA means write once, run anywhere. VORA का मतलब होता है write once, run anywhere. So how does this work is, our Java code is independent, we can run it on any machine as long as the machine have this setup installed. This is dependent, like for every OS this should be written, and it is written for every OS out there. So our Java is platform independent, but our JRE is platform dependent. So yeah, you can run your Java code as long as this setup is installed, you can run your Java code smoothly. So yeah, pretty much this, and that is how our code work. And we can also see difference, JVM versus JDK versus JRE, so that get better. It says JDK is a development kit package, okay. JRE provides environment to run Java application including libraries, and this is the core component to execute bytecode. Yeah, so this is what executes the bytecode, this is to run the application. So JVM plus some libraries makes JRE. Now what is JDK? We did install JDK, we installed JDK here, JDK 21. JDK is Java Development Kit. JDK is Java Development Kit. This is like a more superset. So Java Development Kit requires to have all the tools to develop a Java application. So if you want to develop a Java application, you should have a JDK. JDK will have JRE, JRE will have JVM. So this is the biggest superset. These both are subset of it. This JVM is a subset of JRE. Yeah, so that is how things are working. So since we have to start a Java application, we have to make a Java application, we have to install JDK. Otherwise, if you just want to run a Java application, you are very good to go if you have this setup installed. So yeah, that is the flow that works. And if you have any question about it, we can discuss it out there in the comment section. And now let us get started with the code. I will quickly make a repo here. We'll make p repo, placement repo, and yeah, we'll quickly open this. And now we will be writing our first Java code, and this is the code. This is the starting point. I'll quickly make up a folder here, and just to see how things are working, I'll just go here, and just to see how things are working, I will I'm in the folder right now. How I do it is CD, and then I tap on tab, so there is no folder. Earlier I was here, so when I tap on tab, so this was shown, I was in this folder. Now I'm in this 001 folder. Just to see if everything is working, I will do Java version here. So yeah, Java is working here, and I can do Java C version. Yeah, perfect. Now we can make our first file. You can name it anything since we are starting, and our first program should always be hello world. uh, so I made this hello world thing. Now what's gonna happen is we'll start how to print. So I know the syntax of Java is a little unfamiliar at starting. We are not talking about what are these, what is public static void main. Just remember how we write it. And also one, just to let you know one thing also as well, our JVM gets all the bytecode. It gets all the bytecode that is written. This is the bytecode. Our JVM searches for a single method that act as a starting point of our application. That method is known as main method. That is a main method. You can give very big code, but our JVM will start the execution where the main method is written. If there is no main method, our JVM won't know what's the starting point of the application. So JVM only understands, yeah, this is the main method, and from this pivot I have to get started. Yeah, so keep in mind that as well. Now just for the code, understand this syntax. So what we do, public static void main, and we do string a, and then there is system dot out dot print ln hello world. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, so we will understand what does public mean. It's an access modifier. What does static means, what's void, what's main. I told you what's main, then I'll tell you what is, why do we write this. For now, just adjust with the syntax. We'll see how things work. Will it work? No, it won't work. Java is a object oriented language, so everything should be class. So we'll make a hello class, then we will put this, and I'll tell you what a class is and all, and we can do a bracket like this here, and yeah. So now how we run this program. So what we will do, we will ask the compiler Java C to compile hello.java. So I am in the 001 folder. If you can see, this is 001 folder, and I do hello.java. So when you make a Java application, the extension is .java. When you are making a C application, it's .c. If you are making a C++ application, it's .cpp. If you are making a JavaScript application, it's .js. That is how things work. When I hit enter, if you can see, there is a hello class, hello.class that has popped up here. I did not make it, compiler made it. What does compiler make? A bytecode. I cannot read it. I really cannot read it. See, this is the bytecode that has been made. We cannot read it. There is something that is written by that is written in the byte language. So our work is to write in English. Compiler will compile everything. So yeah, so how do we do it? Java C and the name of our code. Now what you can do, you can see Java hello. Now there is no need hello Java hello. Yeah, so we executed via our class name. We did executed it. Technically it should have been small h, but okay. So when I did Java hello, you can see there is a hello world that has got printed. That is how we first we compile the code and then we run the code. How do we do it? Now what I should do, hello world, I am Yogesh. If I do let us do Java hello again, it will show hello world only because I have not compiled it yet. I have to compile it. Java C, and I'll do hello.java. So I have asked compiler to compile this hello.java. I will hit enter. It would have done some changes in the bytecode, and now I should run again java hello. I'll hit enter, and just a sec. I have not saved it. Okay, I have not. I did not saved it. I did this, and hello, I am Yogesh. So you have to save. I tapped Control plus S, Command S, and then hello world. I am Yogesh. So what happens? We have to compile our code and then we run our code. So the day you understand what does public mean, static mean, void mean, main mean, you will be a Java developer. So yeah, this is the starting point of our application. That's how we run. It's very easy to run your code, and you can also use IntelliJ IDEA to run. So go here, download. So there is an ultimate version. This is a paid version, so don't go here. There's a community version here, so you can download this as well. For now we will be writing our code here, and for the Spring Boot we will see if we will be using STS Spring Tool Suite, or this STS Spring Tool Suite. Yeah, if we are using this or not, we will see. And yeah, that is all for this session, and I hope you liked it. I hope you understood this architecture. This is very important. This is really very important, and if you want you can have it in your notes as well. And I will paste the link of this in the readme of the GitHub, and you will find this code as well in the GitHub repo. And I'm gonna take some classes, and after that I will be making a GitHub repo. At least there is something to upload on GitHub. And also someone mentioned about the Discord link. Discord we will make soon. We will make as soon as possible. And yeah, pretty much I really hope you liked the session, and if you liked it you can hit up the like, you can comment. Yeah, I'll catch you in another session. Thank you everyone.